wind up rabbit with another game of Combo Druid. My internet is not the fastest right now, but I don't think there's a quick fix to it, so you'll have to understand. Alright. Warriors, usually a good matchup. Grim Pagan Warriors, usually not a good matchup. The sand is horrible. I don't know, I haven't drawn. I think I drew Wild Growth one time. One time only. There's Chow. Nice. I don't think there's too much to do in the early game. Just hope he doesn't have something like an axe. But I don't like it. I called it. We did it, Reddit. Let's see. That is cool. I don't know if it's, you know, combo or not yet. Well, that's pretty interesting. I'm just gonna pass here, or you know, here power pass. Is there any way to interact with this without, you know, opening the door, or spinning that around? I'm walking around in circles. Good way. That's control. Combo doesn't run 2; it runs 1. I think revealing 1, you know, not allowing Warrior to get too much armor. It's the right play. Might execute it, but that's not really a big issue. It's actually hardly an issue. His hand might be full of like coined Arisen. Shield slam. Yeah, he can shield slam, execute, play a 4-drop, and execute. Let's see. What does it follow? Okay. Arisen is good. He's not gonna be able to kill it. Or this card is so good. Like, what were they thinking? I really think Druid needed a nerf before you know Arisen, but you know, even before he was released, and now it's even more insane. Now he has to waste a Taskmaster on it, which is revenge. I don't know if I like revenge. When I play Warrior, I play Grim Patron, so I think I want Azure Drake piloted. Probably the better play. So I have the combo, which is nice. So starting to apply pressure should be #1 priority. See if I can get the boot dream. Not too worried about that actually. Shield slam? Yeah. Okay. On my watch. I was born or I was born. I can trade that. I think I'm gonna silence it to deny draws. And then just drop Starch Belcher. Don't wanna trade. There's really no reason to. Responsibility. Golden Argent is a beautiful card, honestly. Look at that. The Autumn Leaves. I want to be able to interact with this tree. This stage, I just like it. Ooh, armor up. Is that lethal? Is it lethal? It's lethal. Let's see. It's 14, 14, 17. Yeah, it's definitely lethal.
Can't do that.
Well played.
Well played.
Of course you choose death. It is me. So, it's the final game. And I hope you enjoy the Combo Druid games. I think I could have played some of them better, but hopefully I explained enough. So, until next time, goodbye.